Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Comfort and you're watching Comic Crypto. In this video, I'm going to talk about Satoshi Airdrop, and if you can remember, this is where we all started from, Satoshi app, and it seems that so many people have forgotten or they have abandoned the mining of Airdrop in Satoshi app due to delay in listing. We are all mining Telegram airdrops and we have forgotten about Satoshi airdrop. So guys, I'm just going to give you a quick reminder on Satoshi app. If you have been mining airdrops on Satoshi app and you have forgotten about it, or you have stopped mining, go back to your Satoshi app, because once Satoshi app is going to launch, in fact airdrop that is going to be launched on Satoshi app will be bigger than the ones in your Telegram apps. Yes, once Satoshi app start launching, we forget about all the Telegram airdrop. Yes, all right. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, hit on the subscription box, subscribe and support my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video like this. You'll be the first to see, and also share this video with your friends. All right. So if you haven't joined Satoshi app or at all, go download Satoshi. All right. You can see now that the old Satoshi have been updated. You can see the interface now. The interface have changed, and this is very nice. It's very fine, and you can see there are ongoing airdrops already. So if you are there, you have not joined any of these airdrop, you can see that aka is still ongoing. Aka airdrop is still ongoing. It's going to end in 34 days 23 hours. You still have time to mine this airdrop, and after that we'll move down to the ongoing airdrop. Here is heaven one airdrop is still ongoing. We still have 6 days left. If you have been mining, or if you have not mined before, you still have 6 days to accumulate this. And these are the least other ones that have been mining, and none of this airdrop, none of this has been launched. So guys, give them time, and all this airdrop will be launched. Once it's launched, you're going to be the one to smile, forget about all the delays. All right. So now we'll now move down to airdrops. Like I said, that if you have been mining Satoshi app, go to Play Store and update yours. You're going to see how the interface now looks like. All right. Now the airdrops you are mining, this is how it's been displayed now. You see that aka is the first, and then you see that the time is ticking, and then you're going to see your claim. It's not like the other old interface. If you click now, you're going to see your minings here. You can see I have 15 rounds of airdrop await to claim. So all I'm going to do is just to go back and then click on claim here. Go back and click on this claim button. So once I click on claim, my airdrop has been added. All right. Now you can see boost your hash. Now boost your hash. Click on boost your hash, coming soon. All right, and start boosting our hash again. So that one will be brought soon. Now move down to project, where to see your mining coins. Go to the symbol called me in the mining app. Then you can see your bitcoin, your call, and the call one. Click on CO. All right. Once you click on CO, you're going to see your bitcoin, you're going to see call, you're going to see call one, and then you're going to see ETH, and then OEX. All right. We are still waiting for OEX launching. Just guys, be patient. OEX has not gone to frozen yet. It has not gone to frozen yet. Then OG is already gone to frozen. Coland has already gone to frozen, meaning that is awaiting the listing. All right. Now CTO has gone to frozen. Now for those of you mining CTO, the contract address is out. Check on the description box. I'll be dropping the contract address. Go to your MetaMask and import it. All right. Heaven one. All right. Heaven one also is still ongoing. You can still mine Heaven one. Available balance, I have 16. This airdrop is not easy to mine. So if you have your team, if you have enough team, you can mine as much as you can. So what am I trying to say in this video? I'm trying to remind you guys that you should come back to Satoshi app as well. Or if you have deleted it, go back and download it and start mining those airdrop, because once they start launching, you forget about all the delays. All right. You forget about all the delays. We all got to give them time to come up with something. All right. Or your effort is not going to be in vain. It's not going to be in vain. So many people are talking the Satoshi app is scam, this, but you've forgotten about this is where you make money from a call. when Core was launched, people made huge amount of money, and people made $10,000 depending on their consistency in the airdrop. All right. So guys, it's the same thing with the airdrops ongoing now. If you have been mining CTO, you can see that the mine has already ended. CTO mining has already ended, and it has already moved to frozen, meaning they are going to list this airdrop soon. All right. So if you are looking for the contract address, I'll be dropping on the description box. Click on in the description box, get your CTO contract address, go to your MetaMask, click on import, and then your address will be, just add it, and then once they distribute it, you're going to automatically receive your CTO airdrop. All right. The same thing goes to Colen Airdrop. If you have been mining Colen, copy the contract address and put as well OG as well. All right. So OG contract is not yet out. It's not yet out. All right. It's not yet out. So the ongoing one now in the Satoshi app is Heaven and then Aka airdrop, and many more are gonna come. Many more are coming in. So now you still have your team. Okay, so let's see where to get your team. Projects. Okay, this is the list of project in the list of inputs. Right. So team, I'm looking for the team. Projects. Let's check under me. All right, so while I'm searching for the team, I'm going to go ahead and then let's see the new features that we have here. We have the boost hash power. Boost hash power, they say that one is coming soon. Right. Boost hash power is coming soon, and you can as well make you have quotes. This is okay. Now you can see derivatives, bitmask, OKX, Halby, so many things have been added here. Then you earn. Okay, this is the end, and this is the project, the ongoing projects already here. Okay, the ongoing projects are here. So about the team, I've not seen where they hit it. Okay, now if you go to the symbol here by your right hand side, you're going to see team. You click on then you are going to see team. This is your my team, manage team. All right, my teammate is 51. If you want to recruit more miners, you can just click on recruit team and then copy your mining address. Level 1 team. Okay, then level 2. All right, level 1 and level 2. Recruit your level teammates, contribute 10% of their hash power. All right, so you can as well grow your team. If you click on team, you're going to see the link to copy. Just click and then get your copy your link. All right, click back downside here and then get your link. So that's where to see your team. And then we'll now move down to wallets. My wallet, that's where you have your assets. Okay, this is where you have the assets, just like you can also get it in the um symbol. All right, so that is it on Satoshi app. So these are the airdrops ongoing now, and all these ones have already ended already. Okay, they have already ended. And how to claim: once you click on your airdrop, you see that's this symbol claim. Once it accumulates, this symbol will be changed to the symbol sign of yellow. Click on it, click on the yellow symbol, and then you claim your mining. You can see my recruit and build your team. Okay, because Satoshi app is a legit app. Satoshi app is not a scam app, just like people are saying. And learn your lesson from Core. Okay, we mine Core for more than 3 or 2 years, and when Core launched, so many people made a lot of money. So many people became millionaires through Core Satoshi app. So Satoshi app is one of the legit app. So in whatever you are doing, whatever Telegram airdrop you are doing, do not forget about Satoshi app. All right, do not forget about Satoshi app. And okay, so I'll be dropping the link. If you have not joined Satoshi app, airdrops, I'll be dropping the link on the in the description box. Click in the description box, copy the just click on that link, and then it will redirect you. And I said for those of you mining CTO, the contract is out as well. I'll drop the contract in the description box as well. Click on the contract, go to MetaMask, and then add your contract address. All right, and once it's distributed, you're going to automatically receive your CTO airdrop. Another thing you should do, build your team. All right, so if you haven't updated your Satoshi app, go to Play Store, update it, and then you're going to see that the this interface have really changed, and the interface will have really nice. All right, so if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to share this video, and then share this video with your friends, and also turn on the bell icon, notification bell, so I get notified whenever I post new videos like this. You'll be the first to see. All right, subscribe and support my channel, and share this video with your friends. So stay tuned, because I'm going to come back again with another interesting update. See you guys in my next video, and bye bye.